Hey, this is Jessica from Walkabout. I just wanted to say that one of the greatest things about being on Walkabout is that you can pick up cool rewards for things you want or places that you want to go. Sometimes I need inspiration on what to do, or I'm just curious about what kind of offers are out there, and I find that the easiest place to do that is by going to the home screen, finding Get Locals Only Perks, and clicking More to see all the active offers. Like right now, I'm really hungry because it's lunchtime and payday already passed for me. I know there's a lot of gift cards in the app right now, so I'm going to see if any of them sound good. Ooh, $5 gift card to the taco stand. I can see in the description that it says it's going to be an e-gift card that's sent to me, and I have more than enough points for this gift card. All I have to do now is click redeem, and this gift card is going to be sent to my email. Because I redeemed for that offer, it gets added to my bookmarks, so I don't forget what I bought with my points. You can go to Bookmarks at any time to see what you've redeemed with your points. Just click on the bookmark icon on the bottom right-hand side next to my account. I can see that by filtering my bookmarks just to see the offers will bring up a whole list. Pretty cool.